Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I will start a new lecture series on VLSI technology. Today is the 14th class of this lecture series. Those who are not follow my channel, please follow my channel. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले. So let's get started. Welcome to VLSI Technology series. In previous lecture, I will discuss about the properties of the particular plane, that is 110 plane. In today's lecture, we talk about the 111 plane and discuss the properties of these particular planes. Okay? In this slide, we talk about the 111 plane's properties. That means its packing density. Okay? So, this is the 111 plane. Now, I have a corner atom here, one corner atom here and one corner atom here. Right? So, we saw here total 3 corner atoms. Okay? And also, we saw in this figure this red color atom here and one red color atom here and another one red color atom here. Right? So, we saw here total 3 face-centered atoms. Okay? So, diagonally we can consider another similar type of 111 plane here like this. Another 111 plane here like this. Another 111 plane here like this. Another 111 plane here like this. And another 111 plane here like this. Okay. Now we talk about the atomic contribution of this 111 plane. Okay. So we saw in this figure that these all are the possible 111 planes passing through this point. Right. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 planes. So, it is a hexagon. That means each plane is an equilateral triangle. Each triangle having 60 degree. Right? So, here I have saw 6 such triangle and for each corner atom it is shared by 111 planes. Okay? Basically, here we saw 3 corner atom. That is, one is here, one here and another one is here. These 3 corner atom shared by 6 plane. So, the contribution of corner atom is 3 into 1 by 6, that is equal to half. Then what about the face centered atom? It is shared by 2 planes. That means 3 face centered atom shared by 2 planes. So, the contribution of face centered atom is 3 into half, that is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the total contribution is half plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 2. Then what is the area of the 111 plane? We already talked about this topic that 111 plane is an equilateral triangle. So, here we consider only this triangle. This triangle. Okay. So, here we can draw a line vertically. This side is called small h. This side is x. This is base. The total base is x. So, the half of the base is x by 2. Okay. So, what is the value of h? that is h equal to root over x square minus x square by 4 equal to root 3 by 2x. Okay, I have half base, so the base is actually half into root 3 by 2x, that is equal to root 3 by 4x. Okay, x is actually root 2 by a. X is actually root 2a. We already talked about this topic in the previous lecture. That is, the value of the x is root 2a, where a is the lattice constant. Then what is the area of the plane? That is root 3 by 2 square. Now from this area of the plane, we can easily calculate the packing density of this crystal plane. That is, the packing density is total contribution of atom is 2 divided by the area of the plane, that is equal to root 3 by 2 square, that is equal to 2 into 2 divided by root 3 square, which is equal to 4 by root 3 square, right? Okay, so we discuss about the packing density of 100, 110 and 111 plane. Why we calculate this? Because the packing density control certain important properties of the particular plane. Okay, so we saw in last 3 lecture series that the packing density of 100 plane is the lowest packing density, right? In next class, we look at some of the other properties of these 3 plane. Okay, so here we end today's session. Thank you. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.